Hello everyone, welcome to Unplug 404. So today's video is going to be short because I am going to talk about only YTD Total. So we will be talking about only this one, YTD Total, in this video. So I wanted to make I wanted to make a separate video for this. So that's why it's going to be a bit short. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. So what I'm going to do is let's drag order date to columns and let's expand it to quarters, and let's take profits and put it to text. So what we are having in front of us is per quarter profits. So what we're going to do is we will be going to profit section here, and we are going to click quick table calculation, and then we will. So I already have a screenshot of the previous values, the original values. Here it is. And let me explain to you what it means, what YTD means, YTD total means. So YTD stands for year to date total. So what is happening here? So let's say if I have to explain it, let's say this is the real data we have. So this entire data here is the real data, and this entire data is the YTD total. So this is YTD total. Sorry for my bad handwriting. Now, what is happening here? Now, these are just the single values per quarter. So in quarter one, we had $3,811 of profit. In quarter two, this was the profit. In quarter three, this, and so on. So what is happening here? So this is nothing. It's just the sum of two quarters, and it's basically just the not only the two quarters. It's basically the sum of the previous quarters. So what is happening? Let's talk about the first two quarters first. So 11,204 plus 3,811. It is 15,015. Now, if you add these three quarters, first three quarters, you will get 27,820. And if you add all these four quarters, you'll get this value, 49544. So same is happening here as well. If we obviously this year is done, so we will be canceling this out. And in 2017, what is happening in quarter one, the value is same obviously, and in quarter two, it's 9265 plus 12191. So if we add these two, we are getting this value. If we add these three, we will get this value. And if you add all the four quarters, you'll get Q4. Simple. It's just simple. That's why I just wanted to create a quick short video, and that's it. That's how it is calculated. In quarter in next year in 2018, the calculation is same. Like in quarter one, the value is same. In quarter two, it's 1 plus 2, so it's 27,832. In quarter three, you have to add all the previous quarters. So quarter one plus quarter two plus quarter three is 43655. And in quarter four, you need to add all these four values to get this value. Same is gonna happen in 2019 as well. So that's how it is working, and that is what year to date total means. So you are adding each quarter or days till the end of the year. So that's what it means. So that's it from my side. If you have any questions, any suggestions for me, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, or feel free to mail me. Thank you and have a good day ahead.